you can do a slow motion effect in CapCut. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first, locate your CapCut and open it up. Now you can start a new project and import a video there, or you can just pick a video from your projects. Now after doing that, what you'll want to do is just select the video, and after you select the video, tap on speed. After you tap on speed, choose curve, and under curve, choose customs. Now initially your beads will be on a straight line like this, but what we'll now do is just drag them down below. Now you can drag all of these down below if you want the whole video to be under slow motion, but if not, you can just add it according to your preference and even add more fun to the video. As you can see, it starts fine, goes slow, and ends in a normal speed. If I drag this down, the video is completely gonna be slow. And just keep the one in your preference and export the video. So that is basically how you add a slow motion effect in CapCut, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.